Tired of missing crucial project updates and scrambling to catch up? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to turn on Trello notifications in your browser, so you never miss a beat. First, make sure you're logged into your Trello account in your web browser. Next, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the Trello screen. This will open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to your Trello account settings page. Now, on the left-hand side, click on the Notifications tab. This is where you can manage all of your Trello notification preferences. Scroll down until you see the Browser Notifications section here. You'll find a toggle switch. If it's currently off, it will likely appear grayed out. Click the toggle switch to turn browser notifications on. Your browser will likely prompt you to allow notifications from Trello. Click Allow or Yes to grant permission. Once you've allowed notifications, the toggle switch should turn on, indicating that browser notifications are now enabled for Trello. And that's it. Now, you'll receive real-time alerts directly in your browser whenever there's activity on your Trello boards. If you are still not receiving any notifications, double-check your browser's notification settings to make sure Trello is allowed to send them. Like and subscribe for more Trello tips.